How to make a photo collage on Instagram. Instagram has a built-in feature that lets you create collages directly in your story. To do this, open the Instagram app and swipe right to open the story camera. Now, look for the layout option on the left side of the screen. Tap on it and you will see a grid appear, which allows you to add multiple images in a collage format. If you want to change the layout, tap on Change Grid. Instagram gives you different options, such as 2, 3, or 4 sections in various arrangements. Choose the layout that fits your collage. Once you have selected your grid, you can start adding images. You can either take photos using the camera or upload images from your gallery. To upload from your gallery, tap on the small preview icon in the bottom left corner. Select a photo, and it will be placed into one of the grid sections. Repeat this process for the other sections until your collage is complete. After adding all the images, tap the checkmark or Done button. Now you can customize your collage by adding text, stickers, or GIFs. You can also apply filters to enhance the look. If you want to add music, tap on the sticker icon at the top, then select Music, search for a song, and adjust it to fit your story. Once you are happy with your collage, tap Next and choose to share it with your story, close friends, or specific people. That's how to make a photo collage on Instagram.